Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Calendar API in mobile apps step by step clearly. To authorize with the Google Calendar API in mobile apps, start by creating a project in the Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Click on the Select a Project drop-down. Choose New Project to create a fresh project. Name your project and click Create. Once your project is created, go to the left sidebar and select APIs and Services. Click on Library to access the list of available APIs. Search for Google Calendar API in the library. Click on the Google Calendar API result. Enable the API by clicking the Enable button. Now, go to Credentials in the left sidebar. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. If prompted, configure the consent screen. Fill out the necessary information like app name and user support email. Set the scopes you want your app to request. Once you configure the consent screen, return to creating OAuth credentials. Select the application type based on your mobile platform. For Android, choose Android and provide your package name and SHI-1 fingerprint. For iOS, select iOS and add your app's bundle ID. Click Create to finish the credential setup. Save your client ID and client secret for later use. Next, integrate the necessary libraries in your mobile app. For Android, add Google Play Services dependency in your build.gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods to include the Google Sign-in SDK. In your app's code, initialize the Google Sign-in configuration. For Android, use Google Sign-in options to specify requested scopes. For iOS, configure the sign-in method using GID sign-in.shared instance. Implement the sign-in button in your app's UI. Handle the sign-in process and obtain the authorization code. Exchange the authorization code for access and refresh tokens. Use these tokens to make authorized requests to the Google Calendar API. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.